Welcome everyone. In this video we will continue exploring the most common statements in SQL. Today, we'll be discussing the group by and order by statements. As the name group by suggests, this function is used to group certain rows based on one or more columns. It's typically used in combination with aggregate functions like sum, count, average, and others, to summarize data per group. On the other hand, we use the order by statement to sort the results of our query either in ascending or descending order. This is useful when we want to present the data in a specific order, such as from lowest to highest, or alphabetically. In this video, we will again use our trusted coffee lover database to demonstrate how these statements work in practice. Let's get started with some examples so you can get a clear understanding of how and when to use these statements in your SQL queries. We've chosen the item size column for this example. What we can observe is that this column contains three distinct values. By using the group by function, we simply type group by, followed by the column name we want to group by, right after the from statement. This will allow us to organize the data into groups based on the unique values in the item size column, making our analysis more focused and meaningful. Now that we've identified the three unique values in the item size column, we can for example look at the maximum price for each unique value. We can achieve this by typing a new line in the select statement. Add a comma, followed by max and then item price in parentheses, and alias it as maxi10 price. This will create a new column showing the maximum item prices for each unique value from the item size column. The final query will give us a clear view of the highest price associated with each size category, allowing us to easily compare the maximum prices across different sizes. Of course, it's also possible to display the minimum price. To do this, we simply add another line in the select statement. We do this by adding a comma, followed by min and then item price in parentheses, and alias it as min item price. This will create a new column showing the minimum item prices for each unique value from the item size column. Now, alongside the maximum prices, you'll also have a clear view of the lowest prices within each size category. Let's now calculate the average price as well. To do this, we add another line in the select statement. You do this by adding a comma, followed by average and then item price in parentheses, and alias it as average item price. This will create a new column that displays the average item prices for each unique value from the item size column. With this, you'll have a comprehensive view of the maximum, minimum, and average prices. In this example, let's add one more column to see how many values we have in the item size column. We can do this by counting the number of entries per item size category. To achieve this, add a new line in the select statement. Type a comma, followed by count item size and alias it as count item size. This will create a new column that displays the number of entries for each unique value in the item size column. Now, along with the maximum, minimum, and average prices, you'll also have the total count of items in each size category, providing a complete overview for your analysis. Now let's take a look at the order by statement. In the select statement, I've chosen two columns, item name and item price. When we look at the result, we can see that the item name column is not in alphabetical order. We can easily adjust this, and here's how. After the from clause, we type on a new line, order by item name. The result is that the names are now sorted in alphabetical order. The default sorting order for the order by statement is ascending, which I can demonstrate by adding ASC after item name. If I now type ASC after item name, you'll see that the names are sorted in descending order. This flexibility allows you to control how the data is presented, whether you need it in ascending or descending order. Finally, I'd like to show you how the order by statement can be extended to sort by multiple columns. In the current results, you can see that the prices are listed in ascending order. Let's adjust this so that the prices, like the names, are sorted in descending order. We can do this quite easily by extending the order by statement. After item name descending, simply add a comma followed by item price ASC. Now you'll see that everything is neatly sorted in descending order, first by the item names and then by the item prices. Thank you for watching this video. And I hope you found it informative. I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe, like, and leave a comment.